over the scene. Hey guys, it's the Vintage and welcome back to my channel, guys. You don't know what to do, guys. Another fun-filled adventure day, guys. Today I'm in the beautiful Barley or Baga, guys. Apparently Baga was the first tongue in Vinci. The first tongue in Vinci, guys. Not too sure how that is. Somebody fact check that for me, let me know. So I'm here, guys. We're gonna get some plantain chips from this place. It's really nice, guys. We love it. And here we go. We have Teri here, guys.
Hi. Guys, welcome back to another episode. Big up Vintage. Check out your channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. And remember to spread love and not any hate, guys. That's all you need.
Yeah, guys, so we're hunting plantain chips.
This one is the right one.
Oh, the ripe, she does the ripe ones also, guys. So this is Jasmine in Barley, Afro Vinci. Oh! I know this thing. Oh, it's like a Cameroon. Okay.
Yeah, she used to be in partnership.
Oh.
She does her own.
Yeah, guys. So this is Afro Vinci chip. They have ripe plantain, guys. They have cheesy plantain, guys.
Spicy.
They have spicy.
Well, I don't have the spicy though. Salted and unsalted.
Yeah, guys. But guys, trust me, these are way better than the ones you buy. Way better than Grace. See, guys. Homemade, natural plantain from Vinci, guys. Can't get nothing better. No additive preservatives, nothing. Just straight off the tree, cut and fry. So guys, this is Bagawa. This is our taxi for the day.
Well, I have a lot of names. The most famous name is Alex.
Alex?
My original name is Kirk. That's my cousin right there. You can put the camera in him.
Oh, that's your cousin. Because I can say hi.
I recognize that to someone tell him who I am. Normally we are going up to the falls.
Do you recognize your cousin?
It's one of the most beautiful falls on the island. While we are going, I'm going to give you a little tour of the island, tell you the names of the places, the historical of the place, and then you see what the volcano do. And then you know,
What's your contact number?
it's 526 4793.
Come on, now.
526 4793.
What's your name?
My original name is Kirk, like Captain Kirk.
Kirk.
Yeah, come on, guys, big up Captain.
Guys, and he's approved by the Vinci Tourism Authority.
Man, big
So you are in the safe one of the safe time, yeah? You gotta go, my girl. If you want to do that, you gotta go right to the
Guys,
front.
tell them we're used to this.
Yeah, we're used to this.
Not new to this. Yeah, guys, we getting loaded up now, guys. Excited here, guys, and I love speedboat, guys. I think, is it everyone's first time at Balen?
Yes, me.
Your first time at Balen?
Yes. First time at that.
You will love it, man. Really nice. Guys, you have a little tour guide tour with us. Oh, really? That's how it used to be a sugarcane plantation.
Yeah, the 19th century. In the 19th century is when the British arrived.
Ah.
They started to plant sugarcane and cottons and tobacco and this side. So they call it curtain because of those cattle was the head of British.
Oh.
Cattle used to run these farms. But where we are going right here, in this cave, remember this cave where we used to call this cave there?
Shark hole.
Shark hole.
The reason why they call it shark hole?
But I'm not sure.
They would say sharks, didn't they?
My friend cannot swim. Someone said shark would come from shark hole, right here on the beach. But in the Pirate of the Caribbean, remember the Pirate of the Caribbean? Remember when they went into the cave?
Yeah.
When the guy take his eyes out with the umbrella with all the gold.
Yeah. Oh, was in here? Oh, wow, guys. Guys, Pirates of the Caribbean. Shark hole. Maybe we'll see a shark. Guys, look at that blue. When the water's so blue. Oh, it's very, it's shallow. Wow. Oh. Because in here it's called Indian gallows.
But you know why they call it Indian gallows? All those years we walked there, you know why they call it Indian gallows?
Because the Indian man got hung up.
We used to hang the Caribs Indian.
That's
Oh.
Caribs Indian here. We don't want to get hung. The Trump was from here over here.
Guys, they used to kill my Garifuna ancestors over here, guys.
When the television companies like Digicel and Line, what they do, they use antennas to put up the signal for the cell phone from the satellite. Up to the top, they have a little tower.
Indian gallows, guys.
Right there, you have galley birds.
Galley birds.
Birds, something if you're going up to Beckway or you're going up in a boat, you shoot them underneath the water to grab the fish. Yeah, that's the same boat right there. Same birds.
Oh, them painting the rocks. Guys, this is Walilubu up in Vincent. Guys, they made Pirates of the Caribbean in here. Right over there. Chowder foot? Chowdy? Chowder? Chowder? Chowder?
Because you all the folks with the shoulders. When the younger generations, the pants.
Yeah.
It looks like a man who's standing with one foot forward and one back.
It looks like a gorilla and its head got flick off to me. Chowder's foot, guys.
Don't put it in, but you can like that.
This rock is here more than 2 decades.
Oh.
Yeah, because my grandparents was a teacher, man. Because you know, they come and meet me like that. Yeah. So 2 decades. Spicy the mountain, you like rain coming there. Because if you hear the government speaks about Hermitage Mountain, right? The government takes 52 springs of water, 52 springs of water, right? Run it into a big pipe, run it to the turbulence house, and generate electricity from Kingston to Richmond. So on the north side of St. Vincent, we make electricity only by water.
Oh.
And between 10 to 15% of the water that we drink in our house come from Hermitage Mountain.
Oh, didn't it bust the other day?
Yeah.
Yeah, cause I was in Leeward and it bust and we had to go in the river and bathe.
Right.
And it's Hermitage.
And as soon as you go up, Hermitage,
Outside, man. Guys, the water is nice today. Guys, Chewbacca Bathtub. Check out my video there, guys. Chewbacca Bathtub. It's a historic beach of the island, guys.
teach us about Christopher Columbus, they teach about Captain Bligh.
Yeah.
The real history is right here. Because in the 17th and 16th century, right here is where the French boat used to come. They call it wharf bay. The French boat used to take the produce from the island. You remember what French and before, right? The French boat would come right here. Where you see those old iron and take the produce from the island and take it up north and then export it. Those stones you see now, where you see lie there. You know when you dig a hole, there's something inside what we just call like cement, we just call it lime.
Limestone, yeah.
If lime make these stones together like that and pack like if somebody, you know, it walks like the old slave. But right where you see that tree, like an octopus, Like a roots gone inside.
Yeah.
The same set of culvert. The same set of culvert in Black Point. Because Black Point is our history.
Yeah.
The same set of culvert is right there. Behind it. Those glass. You can see old factory wheels. Old belts and wheels. And nobody never pays attention to it.
Oh, wow.
So the car here.
Yeah, when we come back here.
Vegas?
What happened here stays here. This is called Vegas. Right? Coming back this way? Yeah.
It's really nice, guys.
Is this a nude beach?
Well, yeah. It's a nude beach. Because when you are inside here, you get no internet. All internet cuts off. As soon as you come into the point. So the younger generation call it Vegas.
Oh, stays here.
And you could only access this by sea, right?
Most likely, yeah. You have a road, but the road destroyed long time and then
That's Chancellor. That's how super in all her glory.
Rosebank, because Rosebank is also history of the island. Because as we go more a little bit north, right? There's a place called Larry.
Larry, oh yeah!
Right? In 1902, as we get more north, I'll give you it. But remember the name Rosebank? In 1902, there's two huge volcanoes here up in the Caribbean. One in Martinique, and this old volcano, which is the older volcano on the east of this volcano. Because as the volcano blows all the time, come a little bit more west.
Oh yeah, I hope my mom was telling me that.
Than years ago. But as you were a small boy, and as Mr. Solomon was a small boy, the only set of people used to have school here. We used to find them. In Rosebank.
Rosebank, yeah.
Rosebank was the only in the 1960s and 1950s. Rosebank was the only place.
Yeah, my grandmother from Rosebank.
In Larry, the Caribs people was living in Larry. 3,000 Caribs people died in Larry.
Damn.
And there's a tree that we call a baffle tree. Yeah. It's a silk cotton tree.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. The Carib man cut down that same silk cotton tree. He go on the inside, make a canoe, and then come to Rosebank. The Caribs settled for a while before they start to go different places of the island. But yeah, in the early 50s and 40s, 1940s, 1950s, only cool here people you can find is in Rosebank. Because of the Caribs. And then there's no Darkview Beach.
Darkview Beach, guys.
Waterfall, we have the Darkview.
Tell them what petit model means. Lil
Well, yeah, because of the French. Pity is small. If you go to a French country and you need something small, you say sell me something picky, like a small lunch. But hotel is a place of prostitutes. Where you can, where we used to say, a whole house. Yeah. So here was a bordel for the time of the French. That's why if you go to the States, or you go to Canada, or to England, if you meet a guy from Senegal, from those places, they say the West Indian black man are mixed with European. We are not pure African. That's what they are saying. They say we are cocoa brown. So because we are mixed with either French or
Portuguese.
Our grandparents, our grandfathers, and old Frenchmen, or old British. The pity is small, and bordel is a place of prostitute.
Yeah, guys, if you check out my COVID video, you know it says Lil Bratel.
And one of the top secondary school on the island, the name is called Pity Bordel Secondary School. So if you have a certificate from this school and you go to a French country for a job, what do you think?
They're gonna take you. You're a geisha. Guys, the shampoo Petit Model. Petit Model, guys.
Change the name, and the local people don't change the name.
A lot of locals don't even know it mean that. Like,
I mean, it's 35.
guys, that's Ilex.
Company from France used to grow grapes here. Company from Bordeaux. That makes the Chateau wine in Bordeaux. So the French used to grow wine here. They used to grow it here, then manufacture it in Martinique or send it up to Europe and makes the Chateau wine. And Chateau is also meaning Catholic. Catholic church, Chateau church, which is mean Catholic also.
Yeah.
The stone that they are taking out of the river. Because all this mountain consists is made dug. So they are not getting enough sand.
Oh,
Enough stone, I mean, sorry. Out of it.
so they're destroying it for nothing.
Taking it out of the river. So this is called Richmond River.
Ah,
The first time we used to come, so you go by Richmond, which is the other river.
yeah.
It's not, the other river is not Richmond River, it's called Waterfall River.
Ah,
Dr. Robertson was the professor for Volcano. He gave the names of the rivers and mountains and so. But this is Richmond Beach.
this is Richmond Beach, guys. Guys, so I was just informed that Trichy actually comes from the sea and goes in the river, not the opposite. So, Richmond, so guys, that's the road to go to Sofre. That's Sofre.
This is not swimming water.
Guys, waters. Water's not as bad today. I know once upon a time there was like a bridge come around here too. Yeah? Co-captain, guys. So guys, today we have discovered a beach. No, this is calmer than. It's where you come here and it's very calm.
Huh? Gem. I don't think she needs it. Guys, we're here. Finally arrived to Berlin. Oh my God. I got it. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Hi, families. Hi. Say hi to my channel, guys.
Yeah, guys, we're at Berlin.
Everybody's going to beach.
Yeah. Guys, we're at Berlin Beach. You could be down here today. Guys, we are packed. Onto the pack. Are we sipping on them, Abby? Yeah, it's over too. Guys, we're sipping on ice. Guys, up here it's very deep. Like, you see, when I came 2021, it wasn't sun. So it was dry, but it's like everywhere time you come. Yeah, try to step in between the stand there. Oh, can I even knock the bit? Guys, ballet. That's what I'm saying. This was a little. That's usually. Oh, did that rock wasn't there? Yeah, that's what it's better without the shoe. It's better without. Yeah.
Where's that thing?
Yeah, the practice. This one got because it's practice. Okay, you have to go check soon, okay? To go over.
All of us do?
Yeah, or you can walk on the edge, but you have to get wet.
Hello.
Let's go! What's next? Yeah, go all the way around there. guys, we just came from Balen. You know what, Balen Beach? Between the fresh and the salt, guys. Now we're gonna go. I don't know where we're gonna go, but we're gonna go somewhere, guys. Guys, they're buying some fish. At your hand.
Oh, how much you put here there?
Yeah, guys, getting some fish. Catch fish.
Take what? Take one. Go ahead. You got more? You got more fish?
Land fish.
It's poisonous.
Oh, yeah, if you don't clean it right, right?
Yeah, eat it. It's very delicious.
Oh, you've had it before? Guys, look at that house. Huh?
I don't know about that part.
So guys, we are at Vegas. This beach is called Vegas. It's right around the corner from Petit Hotel. It's really nice. Really nice, guys. Yeah, guys, so we're not cooking today, guys, just having a little potluck. Because we were invited by some lovely people, guys, but I think so. Yeah, from this. So I'm going and try go up, guys. Let's shoot a shot. Come on, man. Okay, guys, try two. Attempt two. Let's go. In the boat, let's go. Wait until they go out back. Acrobatics. Woo! You wanna go up this way? Yeah. Okay, hold on tight. Hold on tight. Hold on. Yeah, yeah, so deep in Boy. Boy.
Outside, man.
Let me start up that one. Get through? Yeah. Says, you hit any part of your body? Huh? It's like shallow hair there. Huh? Richard, you want it close? Okay, I'm getting you. Jump. Here, one point in. Jump like right here. Because this is me standing here.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
A dip? Guys, we just jump off and up top dive. It didn't look deep enough.
But it's deep.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, Vegas.
What happens in Vegas?
So guys, we're cooking today. Gentlemen. Oh, that's so much fun. Pre-pack. Hello, yeah. Yeah, it smells good. Oh, watch meat, guys. No jam greedy.
And she love meat. Yeah. It tastes good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. I'm gonna stop my guts now, guys. Sadly, I'm gonna don't put this today, guys, but stay with we went in the water. Come on now. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna go. Huh?
Eating time.
So, guys, we're gonna go look for some mango.
Woo-hoo. Careful, careful. Wild girl Teri. Oh, you can't do this.
It's easier?
Huh?
Why? Oh, Jack Spanner? What that be? Courage. Oh shit. Courage. It does itch your bad when it catch you. Days, Teri, days.
So we can courage a bite? The fire got a bite or something like that.
Yeah. Me never get thing on it, but it'll stick.
Wow.
Oh shoot. Oh, that way actually where we walk so.
What is it? You smack me when I say it?
No, me never know courage. Guys, we nearly get courage. How old is that guy now?
Mango chair. Look at something to be young. Cheese. I hope to start the mango chip with some so nothing.
Girls walking through the wilderness. Come on, come on. Oh, wow. Bushman. Oh, wow, guys. Guys, we don't know where we're going, but
We going.
where's the mango?
Light up the weed. Oh yeah. No, we're not gonna want me. Oh, cha-cha.
We got no mango. No mango. So we're gonna head back down. And we're just gonna end the video off here now, guys. Check it out. Look at that gorgeous sun. Wow. It was a gorgeous day. Today was truly amazing. Yeah, man. No mangoes, unfortunately. No mangoes! Guys, we got no mangoes. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. We're at Vegas Beach, guys. Vincent. Guys, if you look closely, you see a blackfish. The fin coming out of the water there. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. It's a blackfish. Come, John, let me get your camera.
Stick it in.
Guys, look here. This is what you call a blackfish. Wow. It's huge. It's huge, guys. Well, it's a baby one, actually. Ah, I'm touching it. Oh my God. Oh. Peeps, leave a like for that. They actually fish them here in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So the kiddies up there. Hi guys. Hi fam. Oh girl. So amazing, ain't it?
Guys, you're gonna wash off the salt, you know, because if you don't, skin gonna itch and dry. But anyways, guys, Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. Next one.
I'm gonna tell you finish.
No, it's what's his name? White. Yeah, big. Yeah. No. They cut enough of this.